Welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to continue looking at ratio and proportion, and in today's video I'm going to look at equivalent ratios. We're going to find equivalent ratios using division. So we are going to be dividing ratios in order to get the equivalent ratios of the given ratios. So watch this video up to the end as I'm going to show you how you can find equivalent ratios by dividing. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into finding equivalent ratios using division. Okay, so these are the three questions I'm going to use to demonstrate how you can find equivalent ratios using division. So the instruction for activities: write equivalent ratios for the following ratios using division. So we are asked to use division to find the equivalent ratios. So the first ratio we have is 36 to 54. The first ratio we have is 36 to 54. So what we need to do here, we need to find the common factor of 36 and 54, the biggest common factor of 36 and 54. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite this ratio down there, the one I've written in green there. Okay, once I've done that, then I'm going to find the number that can go into 36 and 54. Okay, we all know we are going to look for a bigger number. Okay, so we know 9 can go in both, as well as 18. 18. We also have 2 can go there, but we will go with the 18. Okay, 18 can go into both. There is no bigger number that can go into both, so I'm going to divide both sides by 18. So I'm going to write 36 divided by 18, as well as 54 divided by 18. Now let me start with 36 divided by 18. So 36 divided by 18 will give us 2. Then 54 divided by 18 will give us 3. So the smallest or the simplest ratio we can get from 36 to 54 is 2 to 3. Okay, so the equivalent fraction, the equivalent ratio of 36 to 54 is 2 to 3. So that is the equivalent ratio of 36 to 54, which is 2 to 3. Okay, let's go to example 2. Example 2, we have got 2.5 to 20. 2.5 to 20. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to rewrite it down here. Once I've done that, then I'm going to divide both sides by a common factor. In this case, the biggest common factor is 2.5 itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2.5, which is going to be 2.5 divided by 2.5 and 20 divided by 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 into 2.5, or 2.5 divided by 2.5 will give us 1. Then 20 divided by 2.5 will give us 8. 2.5 will go 8 times into 20, so we're going to have 8 there, and the ratio we're going to come up with is 1 to 8 as the ratio. So the equivalent ratio of 2.5 to 20 is 1 to 8. Okay, so 1 to 8 is equivalent to 2.5 to 20. Okay, let's go to example 3. Example 3, we have got 4 kg to 800 grams. 4 kg to 800 grams. So what we need to do here is, first we need to write these numbers in the same units. These numbers, they should be written in the same unit. So we are going to convert 4 kg into grams. So 4 kg into grams will give us 4,000 grams, which is 4,000 grams to 800 grams. Now we have got these numbers in the same unit. So what we're going to do now, we're going to divide both sides a common factor. In this case, the highest common factor of 4,800 is 800. So now, since we learned that ratios are not written in ratios do not have units, that means we're going to divide both sides by 800 grams, so that the ratio we're going to get will not have units. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 800 grams and this side 800 grams. So we're going to say 4,000 grams divided by 800 grams will give us 5. Then 800 grams divided by 800 grams will give us 1. Okay, that is the answer. So the equivalent ratio of 4 kg to 800 grams is 5 to 1. That is the equivalent ratio of 4 kg to 800 grams is 5 to 1. Okay, so basically this is how you can find the equivalent ratios of equivalent ratio of a given ratio by dividing. All you need to do is just to find a number that can go into both sides, and then you use that one to divide those given numbers. Thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.